Engineer Victor Fianko Abekamensa or your operations manager, Volta Lake Transport Company. Yeneno ND and Komo. Sir, good morning. Good morning, Mr. Fianko.
Good morning.
But you're unapaying pump to say?
Nami Adumo.
Na, Edwin.
Boko paying.
Yo, anapay yebe pie wabubuanwa na de be pie wan se akwakoye echinji gisem ane saying omanfo ne bebre say eye Volta Lake eye Ferry that's one engine pe ene de running and it puts them at risk. Opani the woman is saying
Yo, I'm say we mean ya coffee mo ho. No muka sa insane way. Yes. But one engine mean kan wa sem kakra nche mo. Ship no were 2 engines. And to reduce operational cost, yeah, you say it's a you suba yeah, you suba and you use me na speed difference no kitwe bi enti adentina yen use baako enti sa na ye no ye baako na ye use unless it say when the wind is very strong and the water current is very strong. In fact, when we see that the state of the lake is very bad, then we engage the 2 engines. Okay. And that is what we have done for a long time because it will bring the operational cost down. If you use 2 engines, the consumption is twice, but the speed difference was not so much. So that is what we have done at location at also for some time now. But about in March, beginning March, and yenya engine back we have had a challenge with it. Assemble technical teams. This year assemble technical team. Omo ye ho adwuma enti minim se ni manim ye nche bia no omo be wie ho adwuma enti
early March na engine back ko break it down
early March
oh opani se wo ka se the moment storms no etimi aye kase na undercurrent ne so aye kase pa and it requires some be use 2 engines to facilitate the safe movement of the ship said the Marco from March, April, she said Ramemo. One more motina canoes ferries or modi are they not at risk?
I'm saying so any meteorologic for no metro for no intertidi communication. We are in communication with them. So when we know that the state of the lake is going to be bad, we delay our movement. But as we have assembled a team. Detected what is wrong. They've detected it, so they are resolving it. So I mean, yeah, sure. Say many ya omobet me ya hojuma when him say when the lake state is bad, we can move, go and come. But so that it will not be we have to hold on our operation when the state of the lake is bad.
Opani so ka say animani me ya na ade na ye animani me ya no how long is animani me ya
meaning say technical manager no they needed some shooter. I mean him say omanya but it must fit our system. So no na omoye ho adwuma no, but there's a team there, there's a technical team there resolving it. We are in touch with the DCE at all these locations. So omunim ne yakoso pa omunim say because is a source of worry for us. Say, state, when the Lake State is bad because of our technical challenge, we have to hold on. We cannot continue our journey, movement. We have to hold on to make sure that things are in order before we go. But technical as so yeah, bomb pies or meeting in any year.
Obani, sir, your cafe you want some more. How frequent and maintenance, whether it's scheduled or regular maintenance, I mean, describing as such. How many times maintenance on this boat?
Oh, I mean, him say, me a technical man, me operations. But him say on the ship we have plant maintenance. How do you know? Okay, sir. I'll follow you, sir. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Fianko, me tell you.
So, meaning say, we have plant maintenance schedule, which is strictly followed. Of ship ni biya so your engineers, experienced engineers. We have an engineer, we have electrical mechanic, we have engine mechanic. So we have 3 technical people on board, and even stations. So because of technical issues, occasionally to crop up. If you go to some of the stations, we have the stations officer, the head of the station being an engineer, who but normally is supposed to have been an administrator. But in order for us to have strong technical teams, if you go to most of the stations, that is what is happening there now.
Yeah, bisa 2 more questions. Na yɛmfa yɛn competition no emba na wiye. Anya bia mpese mu say running this ferry is it profitable for more as VRA?
Ferrying operations, it's a social service.
Okay.
We see it as a social service. Water Lake Transport Company, we are engaged in 2 main operations.
Okay.
We have the South-North operation. And South-North operation, that is commercial. We engage in transportation of dry and liquid cargo from Akosomo to Bupe. We have another port in Bupe. So that is where we get money from. But for the ferry services, it's a social service. So the fare is subsidized. So where we get the money from, we use the money to support the operations at the ferry stations. So if we are those who are children and Colano, Omo charge 5 Ghana, and I'm paying for no so Omujin paying for no so 7 Ghana. And when you are Samuel.
When you obo and Kodana seminar, Margin Kosi Bisakra, about safety measures for occupants of the ferry. But measures being the guapuno, especially with Koda on board,
Oh, we have deckhands. Deckhands. The deckhands, their responsibility is to ensure that there's order, ensure that the safety of the people on board are ensured. And they also make sure that, in fact, we have life jackets also on board. We have large number of life jackets on board.
Okay.
Yes. And we have life savers. Yes, we have life savers. So when there's any emergency, immediately they'll be in to save the situation.
Interesting. Final one. Anyebiano more backup. So Ekobasa Abia and there's an engine failure on the last engine there and then Modi. Is there a backup or man form work chronosono? Bet me a castle bet me a transport to a monomano moho at the back room.
Near your warships need your ho. Nancy near Bakwa, Yapi Queen. In your situation, war Dambai, Yadenuko, could review near Ohono. I withdraw no. I am Hoiduma. So, if you might also be standing by so that immediately there are issues anywhere, it will move into safe situation. person who say yeah adosu pe na ye wo ferry station wo.
Yeah.
Ye wo stations ni bi wo Dambai, Kitikrachi, Yeji, Agodeke. So ka ho.
Wow. Yo. Aja, anapay ebedo ase se ojembre na odi inchichemu kakra ede ebre. Na I say Ferry insurance also.
Me patrol, yes, yeah, insurance for the ship and commuters. But
Okay.
livestock, we have no insurance for livestock.
Okay. All right. Yo. Aja anapay ebedo ase se ojembre na ni edi nkomo.